So, what are you guys up to, into?
Not much.
I'm sorry, what was that?
I was just curious what you guys trading.
I'm paranoid you're gonna trade against me.
That's the plan. The evil plan.
Unlock your CAD.
Sorry?
This thing's fucking fuck me, man.
Which one, Cat? I didn't hear the first part.
EuroCAD.
Oh, that fucked me yesterday so bad. I mean, I made a lot of money, but their price action was just terrible. Like 17 up, 30 down, another 40 up and 30 down. I said, what the fuck I'm doing here?
Yeah, I should just start skipping Asia, man. It's not showing me a lot of love.
You short EuroCAD, right?
Nope.
Oh, okay. Just curious. I'm buying pound Aussie, but that looks like a bad idea, to be honest. Spending way too much time on the VWAP. The 15-minute doesn't look nice either. It was probably a bad idea. The dome actually works. This is pretty neat. Link yellow. Click on a position. Oh, this is so nice when everything just with updates with one click.
Two more minutes.
Sorry?
2 more minutes. Market open.
Oh. This is so annoying with this time zone shit. Music. $10 is gonna go down. Unless news help me. Which I doubt, because this price is hanging way too long on the VWAP. Yeah, there we go. That was a grab in the toilet.
Order filled. Short on NQ.
It looks good, but not for long. Oh, the dollar is killing itself. Oh, pizza doesn't work. Oh, it does. The Renko charts look very nice on this platform.
Yeah, I see a wrinkle thing on when you go to charting, it shows one under natural gas.
Yeah, the watch list you have on the left, if you add multiple brokers there, you can just have like US dollar yen from or under and your futures from some other broker, and you just click on it, it's gonna switch broker automatically. This is really cool. And you can have multiple positions from multiple brokers. Kage charts also really nice and pretty quick. Oh, 10 people reverse, no fuck that. Let's make that 4. Yeah, that's nice. As expected, pound RC is gonna drop. Oh well, I still have a little bit hope. Modify order, let's see if I can change the size. No, I can't.
So how'd you pick the pound Aussie pair to trade?
Being stupid. Nothing else to trade. Well, it still looks good actually on my monitor chart. But it's spent way too much time on the Weaver. I picked this. Let me show you. That's all I see to make a decision. But usually I'm not enter because I see this. This is just my, okay, this is something I should take a look at. And then I take a look at it and then I decide to buy it or sell it. But in this situation I just saw it and okay, I'm gonna buy that. Without even opening the chart. I am plus $13 on my last scale in. Yay! The Nikkei looks like it's reversing. This was not my plan. a lot of short positions open on a swing trade account. Oh, US yen looks nice for no reason. Dollar is dropping like a stone, but the US yen is going up. US Sing is going up too. That is strange. Oops, I changed the wrong. It was gold. Ooh. That is very strange. US Sing went nicely up. Some tiny rejection. Up since then. Oh, but it's not very far, I guess. Oh, the quick trade on this platform is really good, especially if you use MetaTrader.
I tried, but the 32-bit version does not want to run on my machine. I'm guessing it's .NET based.
Yeah, I guess this is pretty heavy .NET. Like if you make market orders and you buy on bid or you buy on ours, it's gonna actually wait for this price for really to happen. So all this MetaTrader fuck over is pretty much over with that. On CTrader it places a limit order on that price. So you click on market, but you buy on the ask price, as example. Then it's gonna make a limit order on the ask price. So you not get filled instantly. Everything are market order, everything are limit orders. This is pretty good. Anyway, my pound hours is gonna drop like a stone in a minute. I have a feeling. Yeah, I have to admit, it's kinda heavy, the software. But the Kage charts are really nice. Point and trigger not so nice on Forex, but on futures it's perfect. You know what's really cool? You can connect it to TradingView, and then like having a futures chart overlaid to the spot chart. This is pretty cool.
Ooh.
So you have your main chart where you actually trade on, and then you overlay another asset like the futures over it. This is pretty cool. So you can basically in real time see divergence as it happens between the different asset classes. Where are my glasses? Huh. Oh, nice. Close selected. You can select multiple positions and just close them. That's pretty neat. I guess pound Aussie is not gonna work out. I think this is gonna fall very deep.
He even does Kagi charts, eh?
Yeah, yeah. I posted one in the trading room. I like them.
Yes.
I just used 3 minutes with the four people reversal. This is pretty cool. It's a very relaxing platform, but it's still in the making. So. Like the most essential basic features, they are already there, and they are so much better as on MetaTrader.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, the shit you really need as a trader. Like, you press the button and it actually does it.
Right.
Like buying on bid and selling on ask. This is other way around. Buying on ask and selling on bid. This is really essential, and there's just no way of doing that on MetaTrader. Even you cannot even place limit orders at close. You cannot buy the spread. This is not possible on MetaTrader. Okay, pound Aussie is gonna fail. That's pretty sure now. Question is just how where it's gonna fail too. Oh, this is pretty far.
Nice chart there, SwingFish.
It's just a new software playing with. Oh, Aussie news in 5 minutes. That's gonna put my trade in even more shit.
Hey, Do-Rock, are you still in that UCAD trade?
UCAD?
Oh, was it not you?
That was somebody else.
Oh, sorry, that's right. Oh, that's right.
Bollinger Bands and
Bollinger,
Bongs
yeah.
and Bollinger Bands.
Yeah, that was. That's right. That's who it was.
Where are the bongs and the Bollinger Bands anyway?
All that stuff is legal here.
What, bongs or Bollinger Bands?
No, bongs.
Huddling hard here, below the reverb already. I'm still in. That's gonna become expensive.
What trade's that in?
Pound Aussie, but I would not recommend to do it. That was just me being stupid.
Aussie CAD looks like a good long.
Eurocat is still pitching along, whatever.
Yeah, the pound Aussie is still floating at the H1 200, and my Hakanashi is red on the 1 hour, so we're probably looking for still a bit more of a pullback down to 5.
Yeah, I'm trading much shorter times. I mean, I'm gonna buy Aussie and for quick readers. Maybe not. Oh, that looks good. I'm a bit late, so I have to put on some size. Alright.
Yeah, it's having a hard time getting through the previous day high.
Oh, my trade range is within that, so I don't have this problem. I'm the range guy. Oh shit, I just bought Aussie yen prior to news.
It's low volatility news.
Yeah, but I'm now exposed on two sides to the Australian dollar. That's maybe a bad idea.
Well, we have an inside bar in the 5 minute on the Aussie yen, and no, it did close low, so it is bouncing off the 10 on the 5 minute. Oh.
There's the volatility.
There we go.
Add some meat. Alright, this is gonna fail.
Yeah, Aussie dollar is starting to go short.
Yeah, this is failing. This could just be volatility actually. Yeah, this could just be order placements. This was just bad timing. Anyway, hedging manually, so what the hell, do whatever. But do it now.
Oh, Mr. Gunner.
Hey,
Are you from Kraslik?
no.
You're not. Ah.
I was about to ask you where are you from, because your connection is kind of shitty.
You from Baby?
Tobermory, Ontario, Canada.
That is strange, because the server is set US East.
Yeah.
I saw your charts and some of the indicators look like Tro's. You know who Tro is?
No. I'm new. I'm new in this house.
All right.
Tro is from ages ago, man.
I'm long Eurocat.
So am I.
I'm long Euro Yen as well. Got a nice little inside bar in the 5 minute.
Yeah, the only thing I don't like about Euro Yen is it's up against the monthly pivot, and the weekly pivot's right above that, and it's already tagged weekly R1.
Yeah, but you know me, I'm only looking for
That's true.
five pips, 10 pips.
And then you use Heikinashi on the hourly chart?
I use Hakanashi on the
For sentiment.
For sentiment.
okay.
I have it on the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and the 30 minute. And but I trade the 5 minute.
Ah, I see.
So,
I have by default about 300 30-minute candles. That's standard. 204 for sediment. And I trade a 3-minute chart. So it's pretty much the same. Yeah, lucky I hedged the RZA and this went rather quickly to the toilet.
I'm out of that Aussie yen for -5.
Yeah, I do that differently. I just hedge. So now I have 4.7 gap between the two positions.
Well, I wish this trade would let me out so I could go to sleep.
Oh, come on, you like hanging out with us.
Yeah, sure. It'd just be a great time to get some friggin' shut-eye.
All right, Aussie dollars in profit.
Surprisingly, my pound Aussie is too. $4.
Profit is profit, no matter how much it is. Banks look after pennies, so.
Yeah, but I allowed a $900 drawdown, so this is not an option. That would be a very, very bad trade if I take $4. Holy shit, my office looks like a bomb is exploded. My cat found the parcel boxes filled with shredded documents.
Dollar CAD, dollar looks like a good long.
How's your spread? Oh, what broker are you with anyway?
My spread is 1.1 on dollar on the dollar CAD.
Oh, let's take a look at that. Point 3. But I have commission, so it's just gonna be like 0.9 to get break even before break even. Maybe 0.7. So what's the LCN doing? Nothing. Okay, never mind.
Looks like it's just floating.
Yeah, that's why I hedge. I just hedge and then I let it do whatever. Get rid of that later.
CAD yen looks like it's setting up for a buy. UCAD bounce off the 10 for a long. Sorry, UJ, not UCAD.
So out of £1 now, is it moving or is it moving? This is getting boring.
It's getting very boring. Pound Aussie's not doing anything.
Maybe I'm plus 10 already, but I went in too heavy on the first trade, so this is overall it's still a loss. I see I'm doing nothing too. Kiwi yen looks interesting.
We have an inside bar on the pound yen to go long, but it's sitting right at the 25, so it'll be a tough call.
Kiwi yen does look interesting, but it looks like it's late. Yeah. 4 pips late. What else do we have? Oh, the Aussie dollar is going.
What about pound chef? Pound chef looks like a good long, except it's coming right up to the big zeros.
Wait, I cannot find it. Oh, that looks nice. That does look nice.
Go ahead and buy it then.
What the fuck is the new guy doing? Well, this is pretty much brain dead, but but it went from below to the previous support. I'm not so sure this is a wise idea to buy. And the spread is terrible. Oh no, no. Oh, my take profit is too high. Oh, that's the wrong shot.
CAD yen looks like a good short.
Nika is going down too, huh? Sorta. Oh, this is terrible today. I think I'm gonna just trade the Hing Seng later. Fuck the currencies.
Short Aussie New Zealand for 10.
Aussie what?
New Zealand.
Oh yeah. I've been Aussie Kiwi for like forever on my swing trade account. Oh, that's cool.
Took another position in Aussie cattle.
Did you see the quick trade settings, though, G? That's pretty nice. And you can actually mark several orders and adjust them all at once.
Yeah, yeah.
Close negative, close positive, close selected, close all. Okay, that's nonsense. I know, right? But I don't see the market there. That doesn't seem to work. But it could be my broker.
I gotta go see you guys in bed.
Alright, have fun.
Easy.
Go to bed.
Who's going to bed?
You need to go to bed.
What's that?
Remember you... Omega Man, he needs to go to bed.
Man, I'm just sitting here. I was thinking, okay, do I do nothing? Do I grab another beer, or do I go on and flick this switch on the coffee? It's A, B, or C.
Well, you know my answer to that one.
Or D. Let's see. You'd say the coffee.
Yeah.
Yeah. So would I.
Wondering if this, I doubt it. Chinese retail fails in like 10 minutes.
Oh yeah.
And industrial production.
I straight into it's just fucking.
Sure, would like a nice little catalyst for something, man.
Yeah, it appears
Something to
so.
move around.
Okay, this new trading software and Reuters together is kinda sluggish.
Redundant.
No, this is just they are fighting about resources. So I'm just feeling what Octo just mentioned like an hour ago.
Somebody just gave me over the weekend gave me some trade manager for MetaTrader, man. I have to be in the mood to friggin' start reading it and friggin' all that stuff, man. But I did see a video on it. It looked pretty good.
You mean some sort of panel?
Yeah, you put it on there and it's just it bypasses everything else. You run everything off the panel.
Ah, yeah, like this new software does. Pretty much.
But I'm pretty simple with friggin' what I do for, like when I have to make trades on MetaTrader with FX Choice. I don't know if I'll check it out, but if it's anything that I don't know, maybe it'll make it easier. But it's like I don't have any issues with placing orders, man. It's not that hard, and I'm usually only doing a couple orders at a time.
Yeah, then you don't have the timing and the slippage issues, so whatever.
Right.
Different game. And if you know your size, then yeah, it's a different. It's completely different. I just press the button because I know how much is. If I buy a million Aussie yen, I know how much drawdown I can have with that without getting into trouble, because I know the value of the asset. But if you don't, then you need proper risk management. MetaTrader is the worst platform to get.
Oh, absolutely, man. They don't tell you any. You don't. When you first start out, you won't know until you actually push the button and see the order pop up.
Yeah, or you get a secretary who actually calculates that shit for you before you press the button. I mean, there are people on TradingView, example.
One thing I hate about MetaTrader is you can't friggin' customize your order size like you can with Oando on FX Trade.
Yeah, I can do that on CTrader too. I can.
Yeah, that sucks, man. It's
double
like
positions.
You can't. You have. Yeah, you have. It just limits you. I mean, it's not that big of a deal, but it would be nice if you could customize your size exactly to what you wanted, instead of having to round up or round down.
But you can. You just have to type it manually.
It'll only do even divisions. Like you can't. That's what I'm saying. You can't say. For instance, hold on.
Breaking news again.
Like you can't.
Breaking news coming up
Okay, that's,
right now.
235,800, which gives you a pip value of $15.96. You can't do that with MetaTrader.
Oh, you can do that with any platform because the broker sells by 1,000. That's why. So the 800 on the end will not work on any platform.
No, you have to round up or round down.
Yeah, but this is everywhere like this on Forex.
Not with Oando.
Then they do
with Oando,
micro lots and stuff like that.
I could customize it. I could customize the exact size. So when I'm like looking at it, I go, okay, well, what am I trying to do? I'm trying to achieve 4%. Boom, I plug it in and it tells me exactly, okay, if I'm going to do 20 pips, this is how much my order needs to be. Bam, I can plug that into Oando and get the exact size.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Oh, that was $20 drop, so my pound hourly should go up. Where is it? There it is. Oh, it didn't go very far. I mean, I can only do by 1,000.
Okay.
Like right now, I have 2,201,000 British pounds. But I could not do 2,201,800. That would not work.
Right. Yeah, with Oando you can customize your size to a T, to the friggin' penny.
Then they split the lots in smaller pieces.
Yeah, but you can even do. That's what I'm saying. You can even do it for bigger lot sizes, which is real convenient.
Yeah, on the bigger size. I mean, it's always by 1,000. So if you have a bigger size, then things that are smaller than 1,000 don't matter anymore. It's just if you if you have $100 on the account, then this matters, or $1,000 or whatever. But if you trade for a living, then this is not really something that comes up on a daily basis. I mean, there's no difference if you buy like £1,000 or 850 pounds. There's no difference. It's like 1.5 cents on take profit.
No, it's just good if you're like trying to do something exact for, you know what I mean? Like for, you already know, okay, I'm only going to try to grab X amount of pips and you want to make X amount of profit. Well, then you can actually punch in the exact number so that when you hit that, for your net profit, it'll be exactly what you're looking for. And it's just a little, it's not a big deal, but it's cool.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, I'm starting to halfway wake up a little bit now. I don't know. I think I just kind of got bummed out because it got dark all of a sudden.
Yay! I'm plus $250. I now have a negative 1 to 3 risk reward.
Hey, New York was friggin' off the chain this morning, man.
Yeah, I saw it. This is. And today I wake up actually earlier. And what the fuck? The whole show is over already, and I'm not even opened my eyes.
Well, I woke up. I slept through most of London, so I actually woke up. What time did I wake up? My time it was like 7:15 or something like that. So it was only like 9:15 in New York. So I woke up, got some coffee, and I was like, looking. I'm like, oh my god, what's going on here? I looked at a couple of pairs and I said, okay, let me find something. And it was apparent. It was just like, okay, something with pound to buy. And as soon as I got a couple entries in, man, that friggin' thing, man, ran like an escaped convict.
Yeah, the show is pretty much over. We're just picking up the breadcrumbs here.
Well, yeah, like a lot of that stuff is like pound Aussie and pound New Zealand. Now they're looking like they're trying to put in double tops and stuff. It's like, yeah, the show's over. That was New York ran that. We're gonna have to see what happens if when London shows up. Octo, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Oh boy.
Just playing with the FX trade. Yeah, desktop app. Just like you said, it's a really easy way to position size instead of me using a web page.
Yeah, and you know what else is so cool about Oanda, man? Like if you look on the FX trade, man, and go to resources, man, you have long short ratios, historical position ratios, the order book, there's news, they got a couple of friggin' technical analysis. I mean, they have so much, they have a lot of cool stuff that every once in a while I actually will use sometimes, man. It's just like a cut above what you get with a lot of brokers.
Yeah, that's a good point, what you just said. This is stuff you're actually gonna use. That is a very good point, because there is so much junk going on, and what's the point? I mean, you're never gonna use it anyway, or it's just gonna make you make stupid decisions. But if there is actually stuff that is useful, that is not a common thing.
Yeah, I've told people I was talking to Beer Bounce, he's like, yeah, Oanda trades against you. I'm like, dude, that's not true. Don't say, that's not even, there's a difference. What Oanda does is they balance.
Yeah, every broker does that. They have to do it. They have to manage the risk.
Yeah, they balance everything, and it's a defense against insolvency. So it's like there's a difference between, you executing an order of one lot, and your broker taking the opposite side with friggin' 10 lots. It's like that's not what it does. It's the exact opposite. It's the exact. They open the exact opposite of what you do.
Yeah, and
of the exact same size. Yeah. So I told him, I said, dude, they're not trading against you. And I said, and if you go back and you look like over the last 10 years, man, as far as retail traders go, Oanda has more profitable retail traders than anybody else. So, and then I said, that's a mic drop right there.
Yeah, well, and the other part is, even if they fade you, what's gonna happen? I mean, you just say to the right size, like you buy one lot and they sell 10, nothing is gonna happen.
Yeah, I mean, not because you act like it's just.
It's not like you're buying 100,000 and they sell 1 million. That's maybe make a difference, but one lot, come on.
Right, but it's like you're excluding the rest of the world that's also trading.
Yeah. Okay,
you know what I mean?
Then
like it's just you against your broker.
Yeah. Like you're buying 900,000 available penny stock shares from 1 million. That's a different story. Then you're gonna have you're gonna have like 3-day slippage. But this is a different story. This is not penny stocks. This is Forex.
Yeah, no, I've been happy with Oanda for years, bro. Until they switched to this new. They upgraded to this thing they call V20 now, and it's V20 on MetaTrader and on FX Trade. Until this new thing, and I'm sure they're probably ironing out the bugs or whatever. I've never even had an issue where I never really have to call them for anything, and that to me is the hallmark of a great broker. Is like, you know, that you don't ever have to, you know, deal with them. You know, your withdrawals are timely, and there's just you don't have any problems. It's almost like. Oh man, that's just such a cool thing. When you have a broker and you're always calling for issues, man. Oh, I got slipped on this. My order didn't get friggin' picked up here. On and on and on, man. It's like, oh man, I'm out, man. Just give me my money back.
Yeah, whatever. Just that relationship doesn't work. It's just call it a day, and then you move on.
Yep. As soon as. And quick too, man. I have a real short. I only will take a very small amount of like issues before I'm like, I just throw my hands up and I go, okay, that's it, I'm done. And I'm quick with it.
It's same with like IC markets. They have a really bad support, but you never need them. That's the other part of the story. I mean. And they have like they're one of the largest brokers, so the online support on the website, they are acting kind of like the bouncers in a club. So because I'm pretty sure they have like 1 million people who talk to them, and they have like questions, like these baby questions, and they just doing this bouncing work. I mean, if you have a real problem, they're gonna redirect to somebody who actually know what they're talking about.
Yeah, Oanda's got a thing too, man, where they give you, they have like some premium numbers, man, that supposedly I'm supposed to get through quicker and get my issues resolved. It's, what is it? It's like a VIP kind of thing. Calling, I have to look at my phone. But,
yeah, but where a broker is actually shining if they call you and not you have to call them. Like once I redraw like $40,000, and then they, I triggered it, and then like on the next day
is everything okay, sir?
They just called me.
Is everything all right, sir?
Because I used a company account in Europe, and they just asked me to make sure that it's actually my account and not somebody is robbing me.
Oh, okay, here it is. Yeah. So they plug me in and try to make me feel special. I'm premium, and I have my own friggin' whatever, my guy. But you know what though? One time I called, man, I couldn't get a hold of the guy, and I was just like, huh, that's funny. My premium guy, man, is off friggin' and doing God knows what, man. He won't answer his phone. But no, I've had Oanda for years, man, and people try and like they're a bucket shop. I'm like, dude, they are far from a bucket shop. Believe me.
I have similar experience with IC markets. Like I go to the website and bitch about something, and then, like being a really bad customer, and then like 5 minutes later, my account manager calls me and asks,
there it is. Yeah, account manager. That's what it is.
And I ask what's going on there.
What's wrong? Yeah, that's all you need to do. You want to get their attention, man. Go on. I was reading this. It's LMFX, bro. They have so many bad reviews, bro. But as soon as there's a bad review, they have somebody that's their job, man. It's just to get on there and friggin' dispute the bad review. You know what? We looked into that and this and that, and By the way, your deposit, I mean your withdrawal, it's on the way right now. It's like any problem that they have, they're gonna fix it if you squawk loud enough about it.
I don't know. I meant I talked to the own support, and I just was very rude because he was just stupid, like an idiot. And then like 5 minutes later, my account manager called me and apologized, basically.
Smoothed it all out. Yeah.
Oh, look at Aussie and that bitch. Pound Aussie made a high and dropped right back down. Oh shit. My target is a little bit, actually a lot higher. 9 pips.
Friggin' S&P is right back where it was yesterday. Like, come on, Dame, come on, let's play again. Play again, man. Let's do it. Let's do it again.
Bring it on.
You want to sell me again?
What's going on with Australian dollar here? Fuck.
You know you want to sell me again. Okay, retail sales hit. Let's see, what do we got?
What is news? I don't see my
consensus was 9.1, so that's negative. 5.7, 5.9. That's positive green on the industrial production year on year. Fixed asset year to date, year on year, 5.7. So 2 positive, 1 negative. Negative is year on year retail sales.
And why does this move?
And that's really good. And you know China's tied to the Aussie.
Oh yeah, right. One is still missing, but it has no date. Oh, this is the year yield. Ah, never mind. This is not so important.
It's not that big, man. We get a quick, you know, it's one of those temporary moves, and then it's going to settle right back down. Shit.
Wait, there's another event with the same name. China retail sales, total customer goods, current prices change year, and the other one is China retail prices, customer goods, current prices change year. What the fuck? One has a date and the other one doesn't. So Reuters is telling me there may be some there's maybe some adjustment or something like that. You should short the Aussie dollar, Aussie yen now. But this is very close to the VWAP. No, I'm not gonna do that. But this is gonna fuck my pound Aussie trade up again. Oh, look at that. Actually, pound Aussie looks almost break even. Nah, not gonna do it. What's next? 20 minutes. India.
JPY.
India. And then next one is Germany. Oh, GDP. That's gonna make some waves. I think let's just let it run. Okay, the KG charts, they are way too slow. I have to make them faster. Ah, looks like the Nikkei is a bit fighting. Oh, nice. That looks pretty neat on a tick chart. Huh. Not so sure where the Nikkei is going. It's gonna maybe drop a little bit. 21,860, something like that. This is not very far. Thinking of shorting ASEAN now. Ah, no, I'm gonna just leave it. Let it be. My history is still empty. I can't believe it. Oh, there's the moving average on ASEAN too. What a depressing day. There it goes. Ah, the Nikkei is dropping. That's nice. But I'm gonna take care of pound Aussie first. This position is a lot bigger.
I'm back.
Shit has just started to move. Come on. Come on. Wrong way. A car that unbelievable. How long do I stream already? 1.5 hours. No trade. I mean, no.
90 minutes?
Empty history.
You mean 90 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay.
And my today's history is still empty. That is not very usual. Are you going or are you not going? Damn it. That was close one, 3 pips. Actually, I'm kind of deceived because the range is very big. But
wow, look at the wow, that's crazy.
I'm plus 22 already, but it looks like tiny movement because of the large move in the US session.
Yeah, Pound was playing possum, huh?
This is also Australian dollar. My Aussie yen dropped pretty hard just now. Yeah, minus 14. Lucky I hedged that manually. Oh, come on, for real? Maybe my trend line is wrong. Oh, I just hate the pound pairs. Why I keep trading them? Not so sure this is gonna keep going. Oh, it's just a pullback. The Nikkei dropped pretty hard. So sure this is gonna work. We will start to bend down. It's just gonna take manual profit, yes. 1 to 0.5 risk reward already.
Order filled.
Nice trade, Swing.
Maybe it was premature as usual. How much is the distance? It's just 400 bucks. It's just related to me. Maybe a bad idea, huh? Yeah, sold the bottom. Great. Oh, what did I say about 20 minutes ago? 21.8? Now it's 21.771. Nika is just like clockwork. That's why I like it.
Yeah, it's pretty reliable.
Alright, let's make this a break-even run. How much did I lose? 1500? Yeah, it's true, it's reliable, but it's tough to trade, I have to admit. It's mainly because of the spread, I guess. Come on, go down. How much was it? 15.4, okay. Come on, 300 bucks, I'm done, and I'm out. Oh, the target is pretty far actually. Oh no, there's another one. There is another one. Oh, this is very good, yeah. Let's make some money on the way. Guys basically sold the bottom, so whatever. All the yen pairs went all green just now. Right, sorry. All of them, including the US yen. The dollar is still sorta going up. There we go. One 7-0. Oh fuck it, don't play with fire. Yeah, oh nice, he went right to the target. Just as yesterday. And again, I chickened out. Come on, move it. it's the dollar pitching. Come on, dollar, move it. Looks like the Nikkei alone can make it. Yeah, the dollar is going up a little bit. How much is it gonna pull back? Okay, I doubt a 38 gonna happen. Come on, 2 more pips, maybe 3. Ah, that's good enough, break even.
Order filled.
Don't play with fire if you're hedging. Oh, using 10 ticks range bars is kind of a problem with this new software. The C-Trader API is a problem with that. Too much data. Oh, nice. That was a nice profit on pound Aussie. That basically paid for the whole show. And I went break even on Aussie yen. So, when did I reverse? Oh, pound Aussie first. 10.22. Oh, that was a nice exit on ASEAN. The dollar is weakening. Yeah, back to the VWAP. Alright, never mind. Nothing to do now. Smile and wait. Looks like the Hang Seng is making new lows. That looks kinda interesting. That will be more than a buy, more a buy than I sell now. Unless it breaks out. Which is kinda looks like. Is that a lower low? No. Eurocat again? No. Kiwi yen? Pound yen looks interesting. Where is it? I'm not so sure about that one. That's pretty far. No, I'm not gonna take that one. With the dollar going up, and the Nikkei doing ish. That looks better.
Order filled. Order pending. Order pending. Order filled. Order filled.
That's the weakening. Oh, that's not so good.
Order filled. Order filled.
Mags.
I'm not so sure this is going to work out. The dollar is picking up speed in the wrong direction. This looks pretty bad, to be honest. Nick guy, what are you doing? That's the wrong way. Ah, at least the dollar is helping. Looks like the Nikkei is stronger.
Order filled.
The long on crude. I haven't traded crude in months.
Oh, I haven't traded crude in years.
It's doing well by me though.
On shorter time frames.
Yeah, I'm on a 100 tick chart.
Oh, ticks, yeah. I never looked at this stuff on ticks.
Yeah, I'm up 20 cents right now. In about 4 minutes. Man, tick charts are becoming my new fave.
Yeah, I like them too. I was so glad. I was bugging like Spotware to enable tick charts in CTrader like for months. Like every week, my ritual email, where are the damn tick charts? No data for crude, what the fuck?
Octo, you still here?
Yeah, just fighting with the wonders. FX trade platform.
Oh, there's something I wanted to tell you, Octo. You sounds about 10 years younger with your new setup.
Okay, I guess that's a good thing.
Supposed to be telling me I'm over trading, Octo.
You trade 100 ticks?
Yep, 100 tick chart. I'm on the December contract.
Damn, that looks pretty good. I just look at CFD now.
Oh, crap. Every time I zoom out on the FX trade, it changes the positions of the Bollinger Bands. It just puts them in a different place totally.
Maybe they're
I
using...
can't get the dollar index.
Maybe they're using the frame where you're in as a reference or something like that. So it's 200 off the frame. Do you have 2 times to select from? Like on Sink or Swim, or on even on this new platform is the same. I can choose 2 time frames. So like I have a 1 minute chart spanning 1 day. And a lot of indicators respecting that second selection you made. That's how you actually do multi-day VWAP. You just say, okay, you want the 1 minute chart over 2 days, and then you're gonna have a 2-day VWAP. And if your platform does the same, that would explain why your Bollinger Bands move. I mean, it makes no sense on Bollinger Bands, but that would explain it.
As soon as I roll the mouse wheel out, it changes the position of the bands. Maybe that makes sense to you, but...
No.
Looks like a bug.
Yeah, that sounds pretty much like a bug.
Now I found a lock scale option that might have locked them in the wrong position. Great.
What the fuck happened to Bitcoin? Oh, I have no chart data, never mind. Was there some rollover or something? I don't trade that anyway, so whatever. I think my pound yen short was not a good idea.
Okay, I'm happy again. Reset the chart and it's fixed it, so ignore me. Question then, so if I can't have the dollar index without using MetaTrader, is there anything else that gives me the heads up on the dollar, apart from gold, that might be available within?
Yeah, I would recommend gold. Gold has several advantages actually. Because gold usually precedes what's going on. Or if there's some indecision, like the currencies don't move, the dollar don't really move, but gold moves, you know something is gonna happen.
Okay, so we've got gold there. I've got one extra box here. So I've got gold, the Nikkei. What else would give me the heads up on the dollar?
Yeah, if gold goes down, the dollar goes up. Well, not like that, but yeah. Basically like that, yeah.
So I'm thinking, does Wall Street help me at all?
Sorry, what did you say?
Would Wall Street show? It's got that in the options there. It's one of the things I can choose.
That works only in Japan with the Nikkei. It doesn't work on the US indices.
NASDAQ.
Same, it's just tech stocks. From my experience, that works only with the Nikkei and nothing else. Why is everything taking forever today? Oh, that's maybe too low. Very likely gonna fail. The dollar is going up, but the Nikkei is pitching around. No, lower low. Maybe it does. Smile and wait. Not so sure it's selling the top, the bottom is a good idea to scale in.
Order filled. Order pending. Order filled.
Ah, shit.
Order filled.
Selling bottoms again. Ah, the dollar is going back down. Oh. That doesn't look good. That looks really bad.
Order filled. Order filled.
Looks like the dollar is faking it.
Order filled.
It's gonna go bad in a minute.
Order filled.
Okay, that's too much. So either goes from here or I have to hedge. Looking at the dollar, this seems like it's gonna go back up. That's very edgy. But that will make it a killer entry if that works. As it doesn't look like. It's going down. Ooh, it's underwater leave up already. Get ready to hedge. Yeah, there it goes. Shit. Because not yet at the rebound. There we are. Doesn't look good.
Whoa, dollar is dropping quite intensely. Just made a new low. Tested a previous low. Oh, not exactly. Almost. This pound yen is pretty much a lost cause. You guys going up too. I should hedge pound yen. That looks very, very bad. Dollar is still going down.
Now it's moving in your favor.
Yeah, but I have too much drawdown already. This is very edgy. The dollar is still fighting.
There's a reason.
The Nikkei is I'm not so sure. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna work. The Nikkei is too strong. I mean, the dollar is going up, but the dollar is still going up. This was just a short-ish retest, but it's fighting the VWAP. And the Nikkei is pretty much on the way up. That's very edgy. Well, this is pound after all, so if the dollar makes a substantial move, that's gonna put things right, but I doubt that's gonna happen. That's a very bad location, to be honest. How much is that? Ah, this is 100%. Shit. And now the dollar is weakening. Perfect. This is gonna fuck up this trade. But there is a top on the 15 minutes. I'm kind of praying on that. That's why I keep scaling in. Wait, I make a photo. But it looks like it's gonna break out. Looks very breakoutish.
Oh shit, I popped out the chart.
It's no use. I need to sign off for a while. Catch you in a bit.
Alright, have fun.
Rod.
Holy shit, the volume is so terrible. Just watching some TradeNet accusing videos. Patrick Wieland.
Times, no money, no woman, nothing. Hard times, no money, no woman, nothing.
Come on, dollar. It's getting boring.
Those are $5.50. We will end up
I didn't cost the weaver.
Hard times, no money, no woman, nothing. Hard times. Hard times.
shorting.
Oh my,
But there's
this
not really
is so
anybody
boring.
buying.
I'm gonna get out at the first support, I guess, which would be the
what this is about. How different it is
still where it was before.
So being able
Yeah,
to get in,
better
not
get out
having
at the
any
next
issues
point.
with slippage, being able to get
Hard times, no money, no woman, nothing.
red flags here with trade next. Let's say I have a business.
Nika's gonna
and
have
the
a tough
only
time
way that my
breaking through.
business
Oh, come on, pound yen. And the guy is going back up. Actually, I wanted to exit at this pivot line, fractal line, but I didn't.
I make a lot of money, but I'd actually make money out of my pocket. So if I make $7,000 of profit, I'm just
then the guys looks like it's not gonna go down. if the dollar move it a little bit up. Yeah, I guess I'm just gonna take profit here. Take the $500 and be gone. This is a kind of a decision situation right now.
I just didn't like what was going on there.
Hard.
And that's why I created the video.
It looks like it's not gonna get below.
What I
I'm gonna exit that trade.
Professional analyst or expert in. I don't understand the idea of preying on people and building an entire business
dollar
that
moves
is
substantially, this is going to be a loss.
Is
Ah,
my
but
name listed
ah,
on the
come on.
financial of Apple?
Just
I don't think so. Mir
oh, wait a
also
second,
stated that my
wait a
recent
second.
that's
That
for
looks
that
pretty
video when I
interesting.
showed
That
you guys
the
see
dollar
here,
is going up, and the Nikkei is
shows
still at the
Kazakhstan, a bunch of
rebound.
countries I've never heard of. Like all
Actually, it's
from
below
Russia
already.
on the day, basically.
No,
What?
Greek kills. This is hanging pretty solid on this
Cyprus, but that's
on
not
this
three
fractal
times dislikes,
support. I'm
even
gonna
with
close
the
here.
dislikes from Russia and Kazakhstan. Like I said, I've never ever before had any dislikes from Russia.
you